Simplified medical terminology. A new series of medical words for doctors and nurses. Hi. I am Dr. 𝐿𝐴RSHNOOR from Dr. 𝐿𝐴RSHNOOR's OET Institute. I am trying to provide you the best solution for your big challenges. And I know that vocabulary is always horrifying everyone, and by these videos I am simplifying it nicely. Thank you for sharing, loving, and liking my videos. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it right now, because only by this you will be able to get the notification when I am uploading any new video on my channel. So let's start the video. Bacteria. Type of germs. Bacterial. Having to do with bacteria. Bacterial analysis. Test used to detect and identify bacteria. Bacterial endocarditis. Bacterial infection of the inner lining of the heart. Bag of waters. Sac containing liquid that surrounds the unborn baby. Balanitis. Inflammation of the end of the penis. Balanorrhagia. Balanitis with discharge of pus from the end of the penis. Balinuria. Discharge of fluid from the penis. Barbiturates. Group of drugs that are used for different reasons, including general anesthesia, sedation, and stopping seizures. Bartholinadenitis. Inflammation of the mucus-producing glands in the vagina. Bartholin's glands. Mucus-producing glands in the vagina. Basal cell carcinoma. Type of skin cancer. Bayonet. Tool that is sharp like a knife. Benign. Not cancerous. Benign prostatic hypertrophy. Increase in size of the prostate gland. Beta blocker. Drug used to slow down the heart. Beta-HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin. Substance in blood that is measured to detect cancer of the testicles. Bicuspid valve. A valve in the heart that controls the flow of blood by opening and closing with each heartbeat. Bilateral. Having to do with both sides of the body. Bile. Brown yellow-green liquid made in the liver and stored in the gallbladder that helps with digestion. Bile duct. Tube that carries bile. Bilirubin. A substance found in bile. A high level of bilirubin in the blood causes jaundice. Binocular. Having to do with both eyes. Bioavailability. A measure of the amount of active drug which enters the appropriate body system and is therefore available at the target site. Bioequivalence study. Bioavailability study to compare two products to determine whether they have the same bioavailability profile. Biopsy. Removal of tissues so it can be looked at under a microscope. Bleeding time. Test to measure how long it takes for a small cut to stop bleeding. Blepharitis. Inflammation of the eyelid. Blepharoplasty. Surgery to fix the eyelid. Blepharoptosis. Drooping of the upper eyelid. Blinding. A procedure in which one or more parties to the trial are kept unaware of the treatment assignment. Single blinding usually refers to the subject being unaware. Double blinding usually refers to the subject, investigator, monitor, and, in some cases, data analyst being unaware of the treatment assignment. Blood. Red liquid pumped by the heart. Blood pressure, BP. The pressure of blood flowing through blood vessels. Blood urea nitrogen, BUN. Substance in blood that is measured to check kidney function. Blood vessels. Tubes that carry blood through the body. Bone marrow. Soft tissue inside bones that makes blood cells. Bone marrow biopsy. Use of a needle to remove bone marrow so that it can be looked at under a microscope. Bone marrow transplant. Putting normal bone marrow from one person into another person. Bowel. The intestine. Bradycardia. Slow heartbeat. Bradykinesia. Moving slow. Bradypepsia. Slow digestion. Brain. Main part of the central nervous system. Brain stem. Joins the brain to the spinal column. Brand name. Commercial name or trade name for a drug. Breasts. Milk-producing glands of women. Breech birth. When feet, buttocks, or knees come out before head at birth. Bronchi. More than one bronchus. Bronchitis. Inflammation of the bronchi. Bronchoconstrictor. Drug used to make the bronchi tighten up and become narrower. Bronchodilator. Drug used to make the bronchi open up and become bigger. Bronchogenic. Beginning in the bronchus. Bronchogram. X-ray of the bronchi. Bronchopneumonia. Inflammation of the bronchi and lungs. Bronchoscope. Tool used to look into the bronchi. Bronchospasm. Sudden, uncontrolled narrowing of airways in lungs. Bronchus. Tube that carries air from the bronchi. Bulimia. An eating disorder in which a person cannot stop eating and often vomits to make room for more food. Bunion. Bone growth inside the base of the big toe. Bursa. Small sac filled with liquid that cushions moving parts, such as, including as two bones in a joint. Bursitis. Inflammation of the bursas in the vagina. Bursolith. Stone in a bursa. Bursotomy. Surgery to cut into a bursa. Bypass. An artificial passageway from one blood vessel to another to get around a blood clot. Hope this video will be helpful for you. And the second part of the video will be coming soon. Stay connected. Happy learning. If you have not subscribed my channel, so you have got it right now, and do not forget to share and like this video. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.